It's the last day of May, and I'm waiting for my friend Becky to come and join me. We were thinking about doing a backpacking trip, but this spring has been pretty wet and pretty cold, and there's still a lot of snow in the upper alpine areas. So we decided to cancel the backpacking trip, but we decided to do a camping trip and possibly do some kayaking, although there is some showers and rain in the forecast for the weekend. Today it's nice, but she had to work, and so she couldn't get here until later this afternoon. So possibly we could do some kayaking maybe tonight, because we're going to go up and we're going to go see the Gardner Caves, which has stalagmites and stalactites, up at the Crawford, I think it's just called Crawford State Park. But anyway, we are at the Boundary Dam campground, and my husband and I were here towards the beginning of the month, and we did our kayak to the waterfall, to Pee Wee Falls. And that's what I wanted to share with Becky, because she's never been up here before. So even if it does rain, we're just going to hang out and just talk and, just enjoy each other's company, because we don't see each other very much. So this is going to be a great weekend, a great start, and we'll just see what takes place over the weekend. There is a sign that says that there is a sow with a cub, so maybe we'll get to see that, or maybe some elk. We're not sure, but it would be fun, and we're just going to do some things around the area. So we'll see. Like I said, we'll see what transpires. So I just pulled all of this garbage out of this fire pit. That is so gross. People are not practicing do not leave no trace, I'm sorry. And I just found some more. And there's been a bear spotted in this area, so that's not good either, is it? Yep. Pigs.
Drip through here leaves the calcite. So as that calcite water, as it is dripping and rippling out, it actually pushes the calcite a little up to the sides, and it makes these dams. So these pools will get deeper from the dams getting higher. We should normally, at this time of year, all of these should be full. They're not. We didn't get enough snow this last winter, and so we only have 2 or 3 of them that have water in them. The water is incredibly pure looking. It has filtered down through all of this rock system. People ask, it's so pure looking, could we drink it? It's like, well, probably not. We wouldn't want to, because it's, first off, it's really full of a mineral content, so it probably doesn't taste very good. But if you notice, it's also on the route of the pack rats as they go up to the surface. And they leave their own little deposits behind.
There's 3 goslings, looks like. kind of at that in-between stage where they're not as cute, just kind of, but they're still pretty fuzzy looking.
They're just not babies. Oh, I hear that.
They stay together, raise the babies.
I love that.
Usually I think it's the dad that's on the shore because he wants to look and lets them go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's a little one. You're not very big. There we go. There's Mama. Come on.
They must.
There's a marmot. I'm going to walk and see if it moves.
Let's go down here. I want to go down here. This is a little path.
Are you going to move, Miss Marmot? There she goes. You can move, Miss Marmot? Or Mr. Marmot? I can't tell what you are. There you go. Hello. How are you today? You got babies? Are they in there? Hmm? I'm going to say hi. Oh, you're going to hide? Okay, you go hide. You're so cute. So these are the tent sites, 2 of them, that are at the Boundary Dam. You park right here. And then this is site 21. And it's got a nice tent pad. And then over there, this is site 22, I believe, and it's bigger. You've got a little more privacy back here, and there is a little pathway down to kind of the inlet, I guess, where you could put kayaks. The water's kind of, it's not as nice right there, but you could do that. This campground is very nice. It's park-like, and it's offered free by the Boundary Dam people because they send power from Medellin to Seattle. There are 20 RV, van, pull trailer sites. It's a very popular place, and it fills up on the weekends, but during the summer, I guess it really fills up. We're here in the end of May, first part of June, and it was kind of predicted to be a rainy weekend, which it turned out to be. My friend Becky and I actually got caught in the rain. Kayaking yesterday, trying out a couple kayaks, fold-up kayaks, and so we didn't get a chance to really enjoy the water, but and the water down there, there's a boat dock down there. So nice sites, grassy areas, nice tent sites. It's paved, pulling your vehicle in. So they're very, very nice, and we love it here. We come in the spring and in the fall. Well, we haven't really come in the fall. I keep saying that, but that's our plan.